We all know that different people have different personalities. Have you ever wondered why one of your friends, while going on a vacation, loves to keep all the things organized, managed all their bookings, while there are some people who make on the spot plans for the trip? Similarly, if you ever notice a person entering in a room, then there will be certain type of people who will immediately notice the things kept in a room, like a lamp or a book. Or on the other hand, will be the people who will associate themselves with the overall room and its atmosphere, and they will say ये रूम मुझे किसी चीज़ की याद दिलाता है. In both the examples, people are showing different types of personality in the same situation. According to Myers and Briggs theory, research of Sir Carl Jung, each individual has 4 different personality components, and each is further divided into 2 subparts. They are: number 1, how do people deal with the world? Some people are thrill seeking and like to connect with the outside world, whereas some people are shy and love to associate with the world inside them. Number 2, how do people perceive information? People either perceive information through senses, and such people simply gather the information by listening to people or reading a book. For example, who walked into the room and observed the book or a lamp in the room, while perceive information through intuitions. Such people are more intuitive and love to associate themselves and understand the meaning and add more value to it, like the person who walked in the room and immediately associated with the whole room. The third component: how do people make decisions? You must have observed the decisions of some of your friends are driven by logics or rational thinking, whereas some of your friends' decisions are emotionally driven. The fourth component: how are people structured while dealing with the world? You might have met some people who like to make tough decisions mostly on their own and want the work to be completed within the deadlines. Whereas on the other hand, there are certain people who are always open to new information and loves to go with the flow. Based on this theory, there are total 16 personality types possible. Each personality type is a combination of 4 letters like I, S, T, J, meaning introvert, sensor, thinker, and a judger. There are certain set of careers in which one personality type is likely to do better than others. For example, ISTJ. This personality type are serious individuals who like to shut all the distractions, more organized and have tendency to take tough decisions. Some of the top careers for the personality type could be leaders, cost estimators, financialists, auditors, CEOs, and many more. Famous personalities under this personality type are George Washington, Narayan Murthy, Henry Ford. After mapping the careers to the personality type of the person, it is also important to map it to the interest and aptitude, which is done on the basis of the John Holland codes of interest and verbal, non-verbal mathematical aptitude test.